how to make 10K profit per month with Etsy dropshipping and also e-commerce as well. So we're going to be going over product research, outsourcing, strategy, and then also the big picture side of things as well. So product research. Product research is by far the most important thing across the board, whether it's the actual kind of Etsy side of things or with the wider e-commerce side of things as well. Like product research is the thing that sets you apart from absolutely every single other person on the Etsy platform. So if you have the best products in the world, it doesn't matter if your advertising or your SEO or anything else is shit. If you have the best products, then you will win. Like you absolutely win. The real way to actually win at product research is not using tools, is not using any of this bullshit kind of tools and aspects out of things, right? The real way to actually win at product research is to understand why people want to purchase those types of products. If you understand why someone wants to purchase a certain type of product, you're able to find those certain types of products. If you're able to spot gaps within the market, then you're able to win, right? If you're able to spot those gaps in the market that other people can't spot, come in, provide a product to those people, then you're gonna win, right? Or if you see all the competition in that particular market is absolute shit, you come in, you beat them in one of a couple different ways, then you'll absolutely dominate, right? Absolutely dominate.